Keith Sigfield, our advanced supervisor, and up to all my. We'll start boarding here in just a few minutes. This is Southwest Flight 286 for going to Dallas and on to Washington, D.C. Leaving on time 12:05.
Yeah.
We have some reading lessons that were just turned in. Calendar